Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV. In this video I want to show you how I earn 8,928 naira in 2 days, and I will be showing you what and how I make this money and how you can also replicate the same thing and earn even more than this. Now let me scroll up to show you that this is my dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard. Now if you are new to this channel, my name is Miracle. I create content on how you can earn money online. So if you love this video or if you love any of this content, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. This will help you when I upload a new video like this. Now in today's video, let me show you how I earn up to 9,000 naira within 2 days. The first thing to do as a member of this group, if you are yet to register, make sure you check the link is available in the description button. Make sure you click on it and register. So when you are a member, you will be given some daily tasks, and this is what we have been doing. You can see that on this task, if I do this task, I will earn 15 naira. If I do this, I will earn 15 naira. And we also have many tasks like that available on this platform. You can see this one is 20 naira, this one is 100 naira. This is what we are doing, and this is part of the things we are doing rather, and we are making money on this website. And the second thing you can do as a member is by referring people. Let me show you the amount you'll be earning if you refer someone. As you can see right here, that if you invite a member and the person pay 3,000 naira to be a member, you will earn 1,600 naira per person. So this is also part of the things we are doing on this platform to earn money. Now I want to withdraw this 8,900 naira to show you that this platform is a legit platform and they are not investment. As I've said, this is not an investment platform. It's a platform whereby you register and be a member and work for your money. So it's not investment. They are not promising you any money. It's not an investment platform. Now let me withdraw this money and show you how you can do it. So if you want to withdraw, go to this menu bar. Click on your wallet and click wallet, click on withdraw. So in this place you will provide you click on request withdrawal. Now 5% fee will be deducted from your withdrawal, and the minimum withdrawal is 5,000 naira. So click on request withdrawal, and you have to click yes. Your withdrawal will process on Friday. So they always pay every Friday. So when you request your money today is Thursday. When you request today, they will pay tomorrow. So you agree, you say yes. So I have successfully submitted the withdrawal request. So it's under review and it's still pending. So this was the last one I withdraw last week Friday. This one has been approved, and this is the second withdrawal I'll be making on this platform. So this is how we do it and earn money on this platform. So if you love this video, kindly give this video a like. And if you have any comments, kindly drop it on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So love you guys, see you in my next video.